And yes, you saw right, but before we carry on, I do want to clarify that it was my personal wallet that was hacked and not the Exodus company. Seeing that they are a non-custodial company, the company doesn't have access to your wallet, you hold the keys to your own wallet. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and welcome to a video that is not so nice to make, and it took me a long time to get to making this, but let's get into it. I want to take you back to January 10th, the morning of about 10 o'clock, when I opened my Exodus as any other day to check my portfolio. I was actually expecting Bitcoin and Ethereum to go up, as they were good news at the time, and now in hindsight, it actually did go up, but instead I found this. And yes, you saw right, my total value of all of my assets that I had in Exodus wallet was now worth 12 US cents. So I immediately started having a look around to see what on earth is going on, and I discovered, but whoa, my Ethereum and my Bitcoin wallet, both's empty. And it wasn't empty, I had Ethereum and Bitcoin in my Exodus wallet. Going to my Ethereum wallet next, I had the most money in here. I see that on January the 10th, there were 2 transactions in this account. It's happened on earlier that morning at about 7 o'clock in the morning. And I don't know this, okay, that's the ID, but I don't know this account. So I lost all of that and then went straight over to my Bitcoin account, and I see more or less also 10 o'clock in the morning, another transaction was done from here as well, also to an account that I don't know. So the only other place to actually still look was on your portfolio. You can come back to the bottom and you can maybe have a look at your 6-month value, and well, here we go. Here's a problem. I mean, as you can see, there was $440 odd in this account at the time, busy going up, and then the next minute there's nothing. That was quite a shocking discovery, and I immediately started contacting Exodus. But now the problem is, I also understand that there's not much that can be done about this. But obviously, I mean, I felt I had to do something. I mean, it is your own money that you lose. So I sent them an email stating exactly what happened, what time it happened, with all of the details of the transaction, the wallet address it was sent to, the wallet addresses it was sent from, and this was their answer. Thank you for contacting Exodus support to inform us of this. Sorry that your wallet may have been hacked. The Exodus support team is here to help determine how this breach of security occurred and to prevent this from happening again. Please know that we would want nothing more than to be able to reunite you with your funds, but blockchain assets are built in such a way that their transactions are irreversible. Non-reversible transactions are the core of blockchain technology. We all know this, and let's carry on. The blockchain is a public ledger that neither we nor any other single entity controls. Our investigations team will be able to discuss any potential options for retrieval with you in the interim. So yeah, then it just carries on about what they can do, what you must do to report the incident to your local authorities, and also how you should send them a safe report. So what the safe report is basically a report of your wallet, of exactly what happened. Transactions that happened, swaps that happened, fiat currency that was changed into cryptocurrency. Anything that happened in your wallet is reported on your safe wallet. Apparently, it doesn't include your key phrase, so only exactly what happened on your wallet. I sent this over to them. I didn't get any answer about what they did or what they found from my safe reports, but this does leave me with a bit of a dilemma, because I've made quite a bit of videos about Exodus on this channel, and I do like them, and I really think that they are a good wallet. But I've had many comments on the videos of people that's complained about their wallets being hacked, and I always thought that it's not possible. I thought so because you have the 12-word recovery phrase, but apparently it's still possible to be hacked on your own computer. And seeing that it happened to me now, I can tell you that it is possible. In my opinion, Exodus is incredible. They've got the Web3 integration, they've got this nice looking interface, they've got state-of-the-art technology, they've got an exchange that's built into the wallet that makes everything easier, and everything is incredible. But what is it worth if your money isn't safe? Because I have to end this with, I have many other crypto wallets on my computer, and Exodus was hacked. So I would really like to hear your story if this happened to you, because I know there are a lot of people that this happened to. Please tell me in the comments